pumpkin cookies, and so we have 2 cups of granulated sugar, and we want to add in our butter because we're going to cream this together. Now we're going to add in 1 egg. We're going to add in 1 cup of pumpkin. Now in this bowl, I have 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, and to that I want to add in 2 teaspoons of the cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm just going to combine all of that together. That way the baking soda and the baking powder get evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Now I've got my wet ingredients here, and I'm just going to gradually add in my dry ingredients and mix until blended. That's blended. I add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now I'm going to add in some chopped pecans. This is about 3/4 of a cup. Now that my cookie mixture is all good and combined, and it smells fabulous, I'm going to use my cookie scooper, and you guys have seen me use this for just about everything. This one's not mine, it's Mom's, but we're gonna go with it. But I love this because it makes all the cookies the same size, and they just look so much more appealing. So I just scoop it up, and I'm gonna put it on my parchment paper. You wanna have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. And you will bake these cookies for about 12 to 14 minutes. And they will be nice and golden around the edges. And as soon as I pop these in the oven and they come out, I will show you what they look like.